If you're still guessing which particular product to sell online in 2025, you have to stop guessing right now, because I'm about to show you completely 5 free tools you can use to spot hot selling product that e-com guys are using to rake millions of naira on the internet. So all you have to do is just to watch this video to the end, because I have a bonus tip that will help you combine these strategies and the tools to find the best hot selling product to sell in 2025. By the way, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. I help professional business owners build professional websites with WordPress, Shopify, and WooCommerce. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, digital marketing, and web design. If these are things you like, consider subscribing to my channel. So let's get right into it. The number one tool I'll be talking about today is Amazon movers and shakers. This is a particular tool that will show you hot selling products, products that are selling out within 24 hours of listing on Amazon. So what you will do is just come to your browser or your search bar and type Amazon movers and shakers. As soon as it opens, you scroll down or you just click on this first one here, Amazon movers and shakers. Fantastic. Can you see that these are products that are selling out fast within 24 hours of listing? This is the first one. This #1, #2 is the second one. Can you see the percentage of rise it has done on this platform? This one has done 344%. Oh my god. So these are products that people are actually buying within 24 hours of listing. This will give you an idea of what is currently selling, so that you can tap into it and start making money as fast as possible. The second one I will be looking at is TikTok. Just open your browser and type TikTok Creative Center. So as soon as it opens, don't click on this first one. It's a sponsored ad. Just scroll down a bit, come to these top products, trending products on TikTok. These products are trending. Can you see perfume? And this is search popularity 3K. This is the popularity change within 24 hours or within 7 days. It has gone down, so you can actually see what is already selling out fast as possible. What you can do is just to get any of these products, use TikTok to market them. You can create videos and start selling these products as fast as possible. The third tool I will be revealing is Google Trends. Google Trends is actually to validate the product demand. Any product you choose, are people searching for it? Are people looking for it? Do people need it? Are they going to buy it? You can come here and say something like air fryer. You want to determine the trend. Is the trend going upward? Is it still in demand? So let's say something like air fryer. Can you see that the demand for it rose up in September? It went down a little bit. Can you see it? This will tell you that this kind of product it rises. Can you see that it started moving from here? It moved and went down here, then it rose up again. The search is consistent. It rises and falls. If you see a trend that moves downward, completely downward, it simply means people are no longer looking for it. But a trend like this is good because it rises and the fall is not that too much, like it has not gone down completely. People are still searching for it. You can sell this type of products online. The number 4 tool I will be looking at is called AliExpress Dropshipping Center. This is another tool, a free tool to find hot selling products. So as soon as you type AliExpress Dropshipping Center, to open like this, you click on find products to sell. On this particular website, you can find winning products that people are dropshipping. Dropshippers are buying it, they are selling it. It simply means that it is moving fast. You can decide to sell it as well. Here you can see this place. This is written in another language, but let me change it to my country or English. So let's see English. Let's see what it shows us. I just switched to English now, or to my country. You can switch to your country. Can you see winning products here? Look at this place, winning products. It shows us these are products that are selling out as fast as possible. People are buying this product. You can look at any of these products, buy a similar product or buy exactly the same product and start selling online. Facebook ads library. This is where you find hot selling product as well. Just let me quickly do that by myself so that you see how it is done. Just come to your search bar and type Facebook ads library. You click on search the meta ad library and wait for it to load. You're going to come here. You can decide to select any country, but I'm not going to select any country here. So you can select ad category. I'm going to select all ads. Let me search for a product. Let me search for air fryer steel. Let me search. So I want to see if there are people selling air fryer with Facebook ads, and that will give me an overview on an insight into what is currently selling. So if I can see someone who is constantly running ads selling this particular product, it simply means that people are buying it and I should do what? Sell it. So let's see, this ad started running from October 2nd. Okay, it's just active for 1 hour, so you can look at the ones that have stayed here for like 1 month. Another way to do that is for you to come here. You can filter what is currently, let's say I want ads that are active. I want to check the time. Okay, I can't go back. Before now you could go back and search from a month backwards, so you can decide to filter this and then see what is currently going on. That will give you an insight that this product is quite selling and people are actually buying it. Such products, you just need to actually buy them and start selling. Can you see people are actually selling this product even in different countries? It sells for real. That is the number 5th tool on our list. These are free tools that you can use. So how do you now combine these tools to really find what is actually working at the moment? Let's go to ChatGPT and do something as quickly as possible. Let me say recommend hot selling product in the weight loss niche. Weight loss niche in 2025. So as soon as this is done, I want to use AI to get an overview of what is currently selling. Then we can take the products to other areas to validate our ideas. So ChatGPT is going to help us search what is currently selling. Herbal, these are meal replacement, these are devices. AI is giving us an idea into what is selling so that we can know areas to focus on. Top trending products and therapies. So let's say we have something like green tea. We can copy this, or whichever one you feel like. Body contouring and all of that are also trending. That's absolutely fine. So I can copy this. Okay, you can make it country specific. Let me quickly go to here and then let me go to Google Trends. Let me go to Google Trends and see. Let me go to explore. Click on explore. Press the search term. Let's see if this trend is rising. I want to filter this to worldwide. I don't want to do country specific. There is no information here, but let me quickly remove this and then do something like green tea only. So let me do something like green tea. We just want to validate the idea. Can you see that the green tea itself rose up to here and then went back a little? I think the trend is right. It rises, like it is consistent. It's rising gradually. It's not going downwards. Can you see? This is something that is trending. It simply means that people are buying it. If you look at something like this, you can see that it is trending. This is a good way to find a product. You can use AI to research. When you get a product that appeals to you, you come to Google Trends to validate the demand. You want to know if this product is being searched, if this product is currently trending, or if the search for the product is rising. If it is rising like this one and it's okay, you simply look for a way to source it. You can decide to go to Amazon to source it, or go to Alibaba to source it cheaper, or you go to someone, the supplier in your location who is actually selling such products. So I have a complete playlist on how to start e-commerce in 2025, where I have talked about how to start e-commerce business, the best e-commerce models to leverage on. You can watch that video when you're done with this one, and I will link that video in the description below. So if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to this video. And in my next video, I'm going to show you some AI tools to spot hot selling products. I mean, winning products that you can start selling immediately. You don't have to go through all this manual stress of going back and forth. There's a simple tool that can help you see what is currently selling out, so that you can actually hop into it and sell better. If you love this video and if you love what I do here, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, like it, and if you have any question, please don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section, and I will be there to attend to it. See you in my next video.